Dear student, in the previous lecture, we discussed about the merge sort algorithm. The merge sort algorithm is the example of divide and conquer approach. And today, in this lecture, we discussed quick sort algorithm. Quick sort algorithm is also example of divide and conquer approach. And we also analyze the performance of quick sort. First, quick sort algorithm is also performed in 3 steps. The first step is divide. Suppose array is given and index value array start from P to R, P dash 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 R. So first of all, we partition the array P dash 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 R and rearrange into two non-empty subarray like array P to Q and array Q plus 1 dash 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 R, where Q is the pivot point. Each element of array P that is Q is less than or equal to the each element of array of Q plus 1 dash 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 R. Index Q is computed here. Concur. Two sub-array are sorted by recursive calls to quick sort. After this recursive sorting, we combine the sub-array. No work needed since the sub-array are sorted in place already. Example, partition of quick sort. If quick sort function is given, a comma p comma r means the quick sort a denoted array of input size, p is the first index value of the array, r is the last index value of array. If size of p less than r and index value of p less than index value of r, then apply the partition of algorithm. Then q tend to partition of a comma p comma r, and quick sort are divided into two subarray, non-empty subarray quick sort a comma p comma q, and second subarray quick sort a comma q plus 1 comma r. Partition function and partition pseudocode. In partition of quick sort a comma p comma r, here array of p is assigned the value of x, यानी p index value पे जो first element होगा assign the value of x, and I is equal to p minus 1, j equal to r plus 1. While true, condition true, do repeat j equal to j minus 1 until array of j less than equal to x. j का decrement 1 1 का तब तक होगा जब तक until array of j less than equal to x. It means j decremented by 1 if array of j less than equal to x false. If array of j less than x is true, then decrement is stopped. Similarly, repeat I equal to I plus 1 incremented by 1 until array of I greater than equal to x. जब तक ये false है. जैसे true होगा, then I less than greater than I equal to I plus 1, it stop. If I less than j, then exchange array of I, array of j, else return of j. Example, suppose a array given a p dash 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 r. First element 5 3 2 6 4 1 3 7. I indicate p minus 1, j indicate r minus 1. I, next step, I equal to 5, j equal to 7. We apply the j for value of j in the algo. Array of j less than equal to x, then apply the j 10 to j minus 1. तो array of j less than equal to x यानी false होगा तो decrement होगा. तो array of j less than equal to x condition false है तो decrement हुआ. j is decremented by 1, so the position of j equal to this. Now, array of j less than equal to x, condition x value is 5, condition is true, then j is stopped here. Now, check the condition for I. Array of I less than equal to x, condition is true, so j equal to j minus 1, stop. Next, check the index value of I less than j, correct. Then check the value of array of I less than array of j. Array of I less than array of j, condition is true. Then swap array of I to array of j. And 3 swap the position of this, and 5 swap position of occupy position of this array. Next, we apply j equal to j minus 1 if j equal to j minus 1 if array of j less than equal to x. यानी array of j less than equal to x अगर false है तो डिक्रीमेंट होगा, अगर ये true है तो नहीं डिक्रीमेंट होगा. तो चेक किया array of j less than equal to x, less than नहीं है, कंडीशन क्या थी, false थी, सो डिक्रीमेंट होके 1 पे आ गई. एंड अब array of j less than x कंडीशन ट्रू हो गई, तो ये जहां का था स्टॉप हो. नाउ फॉर चेक द वैल्यू ऑफ I greater than x, condition is false. Array of I less than equal to x, sorry, array of I greater than equal to x, condition अगर false है तो I equal to I plus मिल जाएगा. array of I की वैल्यू क्या है इस केस में, array of I की वैल्यू है 3, x है 5, 3 greater than equal to x, condition false, decremented by 1, 3 also false, condition decremented by 1, 2 also false, and incremented by 1, 6 is true, array of j greater than equal to x, condition is true, then stop. Now we check value of array of I greater than array of j, and first we check the index value of I greater than index less than index of value of j, correct है. So then array of I swap from array of j. Now I've sorted I 6. Next we apply value for j. J is occupy the position for I, or apply for I, occupy this. Now in this condition, while is false because index value of I greater than index value of j, then loop perform करेगा, otherwise loop, while loop is not working. So the pivot point is 4, and q equal to 4, the position of this. So array is divided. So array is divided into q point. यानी array क्या हो जाएगा, 3 3 2 1 4, and next two series 6 5 7. Now in this subarray ap comma q and aq plus 1 comma, recursively apply the quick partition and then sort recursively. This is the analysis of the quick-sort algorithm. Or the pseudocode here explain the pseudocode of partitioning quick-sort algorithm. Now we discuss algorithm analysis. Suppose running time of quick-sort depend on the whether the partitioning is balanced or not. Then worst case performance means unbalanced. If Tn, T1, Tn minus 1 plus T, if n number of element divided in this way, one element is extract from the n number of n elements, and so the one branch is 1 and second branch is the tree n minus 1. Next n minus 1 branch extracted, the left subarray equal to Tn minus 2. So this is the longest path, and longest path time complexity equal to, according to this array, equal to k equal to 1 to n theta of k. So k equal to 1 to theta of k means solve the series of this equation 1 plus 2 plus 3 dash 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 and n plus 1 by 2, and it according to polynomial equation maximum power of n equal to square. So theta of n square is the time complexity of quickshot in the worst case. We explain the worst case time complexity but with the help of recursion tree. N is divided in two sub array. First is 1 and second is n minus 1. Next divided 1 n minus 2, 1 n minus 3, 1 n minus dash 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 dash, तब तक डिवाइड करते हैं जब तक n का वैल्यू इक्विवेलेंट ऑफ 1. Now we check the longest branch. Longest branch is the 3 and n minus 1, n minus 2, n minus 3, 2, 1 dash dash dash. Now we find the series 1 plus 2 plus n tak. The summation of this series n minus 1 by 2. So therefore total time complexity equal to theta of n square. Next, performance of quickshot is the best case partition. Suppose always we select the pivot point from the mid of array. Any size of array n are divided into two sub array n by 2, n by 2. And n by 2, n by 2 also divided into from divided to midpoint. So n by 2 divided into 2 branch, n by 4, n by 4. Similarly, division of n till the value of n equivalent of 1. Now we calculate the number of element in each level, n. How much time? The height of tree. The height of tree equal to n upon 2i equal to 1. We apply the logarithm property, I equal to log n, and the height of this tree equal to log n. So total time complexity of best case of partitioning quickshot equal to theta and log n. Yani time complexity is depend upon the partitioning procedure. If array is partitioned by midpoint, this is the best case analysis of the quickshot, and the time complexity is equal to theta and log n. Suppose we describe the recurrence equation of the quickshot. Quickshot is divided equal to two sub array, and array is divided by midpoint. So we can write the recurrence of array Tn equal to 2Tn by 2 plus theta n, apply the master method and calculate the time complexity order of n log n. And average case. If the tree is divided at random, suppose an element is divided by 7n by 10 and 3n by 10. Now we calculate the recurrence time complexity of this recurrence using the recursion tree method. Because n number of element is divided into two equal portion, two different portion, 7n by 10 and 3n by 10. Now, next 7n by 10 also divided into two portions, 7n by 10 of 7n by 10 and 3n by 10. ये प्रोसेस तब तक कंप्लीट होगा जब तक t के अंदर वाली वैल्यू 1 ना हो जाती. We check and solve the time complexity of this recurrence. The total time complexity of the recurrence at each level, number of element, summation of number of element equal to n, which how many times into height of tree, and height of tree equal to log n. So total time complexity in average case approximate equivalent of the best case theta and log n. Average case splitting. n minus 1, n minus 1 by 2, n minus by 2, and several processes, n minus 1 by 2 plus 1, n minus 1 by 2, and several possible cases existed. So average case time complexity equal to theta n log n. Now we discuss today we discuss about quickshot algorithm. We analyze the time complexity या performance of quickshot, and in the next lecture is RB red black tree. Red black tree is the advanced data structure which is contained in unit second. Thank you.